Yes! Yes! Alright, I've designed a thing that actually works. Yeah. I use this microphone stand. Oh, let's just loosen everything. It's this card, and you can see that it runs with almost no friction. So if I place a camera on here, then I already have a camera slider just by adapting this angle. But it's it works. Yeah, why did I go through all this? This is a spherical shape with a nut on top. So you can place it in any angle. So if the slide isn't horizontal, so let's say it's more like this, then you can rotate this, and so your camera will stay horizontal. Camera slider in action, take 24. Okay, the next steps I want to do is redesign this front pulley, because I want to widen it so it doesn't come off. This works fine. The gears, everything work fine. Finally. And I want to make a mount for a GoPro, because I think that there are more people with a GoPro than with this phone. So yeah, you can. I will upload this on Thingiverse with the source file, so you can create your own holder for your camera if you want. So I will create one for the GoPro for this one, and I think for my main camera it's JVC something. Alright, let's make one for the GoPro. I hope that this will get me some better footage than my phone did. It was a lot of fun, but I think that this will be better. I will make a holder for this one quickly. Let's go to the... I think I will place this this part on Thingiverse so you can create your own mounts, but I will create a mount for the GoPro. Ooh. But first, I really need some coffee. Okay. I'm going to do this a bit quick because I want to. I can't wait for that B-roll. So let's make a time lapse of 30 seconds, 20. Yeah, 20 seconds. Okay, and go. Stupid. Fuck. No time to waste. Turn the printer on. The printer's warming up. If you think that these walls are too thin, just remember I'm printing with carbon fiber reinforced nylon filament, so this is strong. Print. Put a nut here. And that's it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this. As I've mentioned earlier, I will place the source files on Thingiverse and yeah, also this GoPro mount, of course. Yeah, I will make some minor modifications and then I will upload it. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed, please subscribe and you won't miss a thing.